What's going on, guys? I have been waiting for this moment for a while. I got my package from Hamre Forge. Waited for this release for a while. I got my 442 a while back. This is the stock grips for it. It's rubberized. Doesn't have anything really, no padding in the back, but I do like to ride my hands high when I'm pulling in, just to show it is clear. But that's usually the grip I like to have on there, but it does punish the webbing on your hand. And after having the Hamre Forge hook grip on my LCR, I did really appreciate the way that was made. So I'm definitely looking forward to how these are. These were released recently and the orders came up. I just arrived today. So we're gonna open it up and pop it on. Hopefully I won't mess it up too much on the video. And I'm sorry if you guys hear the fan. My AC is out, so I apologize for any background noise. But let's go ahead and get this thing packaged. This package open. It's got a nice sharp PM2 that I sharpened the other day. So, Ryan, appreciate you, brother. I'll definitely read this in a second. Ryan is an awesome dude, guys. Definitely check him out at Hamre Forge. All right. So that's in the bag. And we have the Spegel Hamre Forge hook grips. I got the set, meaning I've got the hook set. And I also got the flat side. So let's go ahead and pop this open and see how they look. So these are the high horn, meaning this will go all the way to the top of the grip. So that's the clear side. And here's the hook side. Wow, he's using new materials and new construction, and wow, these feel so different, but the grip is still there. Matter of fact, they're even better than the ones on my LCR, so he's definitely upgraded. But that's the hook, and if you, for any reason, do not want the hook, he has a set without it. So there you go. So here's the regular side if you just want to use that, but I do appreciate the functionality of the hook itself. I've done a review and installation on the LCR hook grips. Like I said, these are, with permission from Mr. Spegel, these are like Spegel grips, but not obviously made in wood, but it's made of, they're printed out, but these are really awesome. Let's get that started, guys. Like I said, I am doing this on the fly, so I apologize if it takes any longer. So basically you just have, he gives you a wrench here and also a screw. I'll probably take the screw out of the default one and use the ones that came with it, and I'll just keep this together as a set. Let's see here, is this the right size? I need a smaller one. Man, I need to clean out my grips. I've been sweating all summer on these things. I might need a smaller one than that. Alright, sorry for the delay, guys. I had to find the right bit. Get unscrewed. I really need to clean these off. I've been carrying these pretty much non-stop. Old screw. Alright, there's the inside. I'll probably clean these off after I install them. You guys see I have the Apex hammer spring in there, but let's go ahead and wipe this off a little bit. It's got some of my, could be oil or sweat. This is a daily carrier, so it's not in any sort of perfect condition. So alright, snaps on pretty good, and like I said, I'm going to use the hook grips. So I'm assuming we come from this side with the cutout. That should be it. Nice and secure. Oh yeah, it's got that nice hump on the back. I do like that a lot. It just seems to lock in my hand a lot better. See, it has the high horn there. Plus you can use this hook to just use it in your pocket or your waistband. I mostly prefer to use it on my waistband here. But yeah, I've been waiting for these. He's been teasing this model to me for a while. I'm super stoked to finally get it. But yeah, I do like this in my hand. It just gives a natural grip. And I do feel like I get a lot more trigger leverage with this grip. Like I said, it's got a little bit more pronounced hump, a little rounder on the side. Wow, Ryan, you guys knocked it out the park. There you guys go. I will definitely make a quick review after I've carried this for a while. There it is, the Spegel boot grip, Hamre Forge boot grip with the hook.